All right, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, if this is the first time you guys are here on the channel, go ahead and do me a big favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as you go ahead and start watching this video, because we are going to be training you guys and showing you step by step how we're to take a very simple process and turn it into multiple thousands of dollars every single month right here online. And all you have to do is follow our step-by-step guide. And it's really that simple. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them down in the comments and we'll be more than happy to follow up with you guys and get you the help that you need. But let's go ahead and jump in. We are actually doing day number 2 of this video. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, you should have saw video number 1 that was right before this, where we set everything up. But I'll do a quick recap of that. We'll also go ahead and log in, see how we're doing as far as income comes in. And let me drop this back up here on the screen. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Just watch the video step by step. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and log in to this business that we're teaching you guys how to promote. We're going to show you how much we've already made with it so far. So if we go ahead and log in here, you can see this business that I'm teaching you guys how to set up that only costs you $25 per month to run. I've already generated close to $259,000 with this particular business. And let's go ahead and take a look what we are, because you're watching this on October 14th. So let's take a look at our income from October 1st through October 14th. And what you're going to learn here is that this business will continue to stack itself month after month. So the first few months you start with this business, it may be kind of slow, right? So just protect the first few months to be kind of slow, right? So it's going to be like this. You have a trickle of sale here and there, but it's going to do this over time. Every single month, long as you continue to follow our training, it's going to start to look like this, okay? Very nice, gradual increase month after month. And let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see here, this month alone, October 1st through October 14th, we made $16,263, right? But let's take this exact same period just the month before. So let's go back, September 1st through September 14th. And you're going to see here, we are at the 16th. So we're already almost $4,000 higher this month alone than we were the previous month. So let's go ahead and jump into our training now, since you guys see what this is. There's going to be 2 links in this video. Both of the links will be down here in the video description of this video. So you're more than welcome to go down and do that. And I'll be referencing those links and how to, set up this whole process. So if you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, the first thing you need to do is click link number 1. Remember, link number 1 below this video. All right, link number 1 will take you right here to this page right here, okay? This is where you're going to go and sign up for this $25 business. You're more than welcome to actually read over this. And in today's video and in the last video, we're already signed up with this business. So we're actually going to be teaching you again how to create that congruent information as we send these emails that we don't even have to collect. We're actually going to be using a service that goes out there. They collect the emails for us, and then we can just log in to their email provider. They set us up with the email server and everything. All we do is log in, we send the emails, we click send. We do this for 4 or 5 of these accounts, and then that's it. The day is over. That only takes around 15 minutes. Now, further on down in this training, we are going to show you guys step by step how to use both paid traffic and free traffic to generate a substantial 6-figure income using this My $25 business. But for today, I still want you guys, you're still like in kindergarten, you're learning how to draw, you're learning how to stay in the lines, right? So what we're going to do continuous on is the same thing that we did in yesterday's video. So we're just going to be logging in to our account, and we're going to be sending the emails. So step number 1 is to go here to this page right here, scroll down where it says, yes, I want this $25 all-in-one business. When you do that, put in your information, and then you can get started for 25 bucks. Now, I do recommend you guys go ahead and take this 7-day free trial down here, or 14-day free trial down here. It costs you nothing for the first 14 days, and you can easily cancel in your back office. The reason I say this is because inside of this training for these first 2 weeks, I'm going to show you real quick. Let me log into this because I want to show you what you actually get access in this back office. You're going to get access to this HBA Premium. Well, I'm going to be teaching a lot of these tactics for free right here on YouTube, but there's some additional ways that you can generate revenue even quicker just by going here under the Premium, okay? And that's that 2-week free trial that you're going to get right there. But on top of that, you can also come to what's called the weekly mastermind. They have masterminds every single day, plus they have a big mastermind every Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? And you guys can get that extra high value bonus trainings and be able to come to that just by being those members. So come to those 2 free trainings, guys. Get access to the right for 2 weeks. Then just cancel after that. It's okay. You don't have to keep this long term. If you want commissions for it, you're welcome to keep it long term. But at least come in, work your butt off for the next 2 weeks, take that training, come to the few live masterminds. You get a better feel for what this business is and how it works. And you'll see how amazing the community is here with that system. So once you've done that and you feel that, you've got yourself set up. Now, what you need to do is go to link number 2. Remember, I told you we use a service that gives us 100+ leads every day without a website, without paid traffic. All right, and what you're going to do is go to link number 2 below this video. And as you can see right down here, there is on the first step, it says join this MLGS for $1 per day. That's it. $1 per day is that you're just going to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to click that button right there. Okay. And when you do that, if you click it, it's going to pop it up. You're going to put in your email. Okay. Now we actually use 5 of these accounts because we want a ton of leads, and each account gets different leads. So we actually want a bunch of accounts so we can mail more and more people. It's all a numbers game. The more people that we can mail, the more money we're actually going to make. So once you click that button right there, and you pop it up and you put in just your normal email address, you're going to create your first account. I'm going to go log into my account number 1 first. Now, once you've logged into your account number 1, what I want you to look at is right here. You're going to start on day 1 with only 100 leads. Now, what I love about this system up here is that if you introduce just one person to the MLGS, they'll actually give you a extra 100 bonus leads per day. Now, it doesn't matter if you get, 1,000 people signed up. The maximum you can get is just 100 extra leads per day. So what I'm going to do is you don't have to go out there and promote the My Lead Gen secrets. We're going to kind of use the system's policies so that we actually get bonus leads, right? So basically, you just clicked the link below this video, right? And you signed up for account number 1. So we are right here on account number 1, okay? That's where we're at. Now, account number 1 has an affiliate link, but remember how I told you if you just sign up one person, you get the extra leads. And remember, it's a numbers game. The more people we get signed up, or the more people we can actually email every single day. So we're actually doubling it. So the way this system works is on day 1, you're going to have 100 leads. Now, if you don't get only one account, I recommend getting between 3 to 5 accounts. At least try to get 2, okay? 2 is probably the minimum you're really going to want to get. Try to get 3 to 5, okay? But on day 1, you're at 100. On day 2, you're emailing 200. And then day 3, you're emailing 300, right? But at the end of 30 days, you're actually emailing 3,000 people. Now, if you get 2 accounts or do what I'm about to show you, on day 1, you're at 100, right? Then day 2, you will be at 300 leads. Then 500 leads. But by the time an entire 30 days come out, you're at 6,000. That's a really bad 6,000, but you're at 6,000 leads versus 3,000. So you're literally basically 2xing your chances of getting sales, okay? So what you want to do here is, let me get rid of this so you guys can know. We're going to be logged into account number 1, and you understand why we want to get multiple accounts or get people signed up, at least one person. But you don't actually have to promote this, because what I'm going to show you is this right here. So check this out. What you do is, once you've created your first account, right? So you're logged in right now to your first account. All you do is you come right here. This is called an affiliate link, okay? We're going to use this link right here to create our second account, okay? And then you'll do the same for the third. So an example, let me show you here. So if you're logged into account number 1, which we are right now, okay? I'm going to erase all this real quick, and I'm going to slide out of here. What you do is you just come right here, you highlight this, you copy it, you come to your account, and then you click log out. You're going to come up here to the dashboard for your account 2, paste that URL in right there, and the page looks the same, but you'll see there's an RID up here. Click use my secret now, and you're going to have to create a separate email. Now, what I did is I just used Gmail. I created 5 Gmail accounts, and I did mine like this: mdaysoch, or whatever you want to, 001. Then I did create another 002, 003. So I just created free accounts inside of Google, multiple accounts in Google to create that. So you come in here, put your second email address in right there, and that's all that you have to do, and then click sign up, and then you go through the process. You can use the same credit card and things like that, but you're going to have to use 5 different email accounts because it references the emails whenever your email account when you actually go to log in. So now what you're going to do now is it'll automatically log you into account number 2, right? So let's pretend you're on account number 2 now. It's the same process. Account number 1, right? Then you had account number 2. Account number 2 use account number 1's link, and it's so forth, right? So you're just basically using each account's link, and you're what's called like daisy chaining. I call it daisy chaining. That's a bad chain, but you're daisy chaining it so that way you get those bonus leads. Just remember, account 1, okay, is the link from down below. Account number 2 is when you're logged into account number 1's link right here, okay? So basically, you're going to create account 2 using account 1's link. Then what you're going to do is, when you're logged in account number 2, you're going to come over, you're going to grab this link. It'll have a different number right here when you're logged into account number 2. And then you're going to use account number 2's, right, to create account number 3. See, so it's just going up. All you're doing is creating one account using the account above its link. And I'll show you an example of that. See, this is account number 1. Now, if I go and log out, see how that number is 19184, and let's say I go log in, to the number 1, right? So my next account, see how it's 242. So I'll use this, I'll grab this link right here on account number 2, and I'll create account number 3 with it. But let's go ahead and log into account number 1. We're going to go ahead and send our emails for today. So that way you can see I'm actually going to write the emails for you throughout this training series. So we're going to go ahead and come to the mailing system. This is step number 1. On day number 1, it's going to be slow. You're only going to be sending it to 100 people. But as you can see, as the months build up, this account is going to be sent to 109,000 people. And then what we're going to do is scroll down here and we're going to come to this subject line right here, okay? Now, what we use is congruent information based on the landing page that we have found. Now, in yesterday's video, you've seen that we actually came to this exact same page and we borrowed copy from the page and we created our actual emails. So we're actually going to just kind of surf through here and let's find some more information. Here's a great one. $100,000 residual income in 12 months or less. Let's copy that. Come to the mailing system. That's going to be our subject. And if you're curious what the subject is, whenever you go to your email address, it's the main thing, or whenever you go to your email box, say like Gmail, it's the thing that it's the subject line, okay? Not the actual body, but this is the subject. So that's a great headline because that's going to be like, hey, $100,000 residual income in 12 months or less. People that are looking for ways to make money, which this entire My Lead Gen Secrets cold traffic. So it does go out there and like, okay, how do I create this? So people are going to click that. That's a very, gets people wanting to open up the email. Now let's go and write that email, right? So it's just simple down here. Let's go take a look where we can find some more information about this thing right here. So this all-in-one business that is already to go. Okay, it's products, it's training. Let's take a look right here. Let's see here. Let's just copy this right here. This is a great email all the way down to right here. Let's just copy that. It sounds great. Let's grab it. Let's come down here into the body of the paragraph or the email. Delete that. You will paste that in right there. Okay. Let's select everything in there. Let's change this down to around 16 or 14. So make it a little bit smaller. Let's make sure the font is Arial and we'll change this to normal. Okay. So let's take a look at this email. So the first thing that they're going to see is, okay, $100,000 yearly residual income in 12 months or less. It's our goal to help you create true long-term wealth in a way that gives you an abundance of time and money and lifestyle freedoms to start dreaming again. Because people like you that not only dream but act on their dreams are the only people who have ever changed the world in a forward positive way. And those people like you that act on their dreams are the only ones who will continue to shape the world in a positive way. So this all-in-one business with its ready-to-go multi-million-dollar sales systems, its products, its trainings, its tools, and its community, and its personal life help has everything you need to start creating income and get into profit right now. Click here. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to go up here and grab this right there. And I'm going to say, click here to start making $100,000 in, okay. And that's what's cool. And then what you're going to do is you're going to say right here, talk soon, right? And then what you're going to do is you're just going to insert name here. You're going to insert your name, whatever your name is. It could be, Becky, John, Jessica, Michael. It doesn't matter. Whatever your name is right here. Or if you don't want to, give them your name, you can use an alias. You can just, come up with your own name that you want to put in right there. But what we need to do now is we need to actually attach our link. Now, if you watched in the previous video, I told you guys how to go to the all-in-one business once you are signed in. I showed you guys if you needed to go to the affiliate zone and you needed to watch once you clicked on the affiliate zone after you signed up, you need to watch, it's important, affiliate quick start guide, all the 4 videos below, because what happens in video number 1 right here of this training, they show you how to log into your SAM cart, which is this right here, which tracks your sales, right? And they also show you how to sign up for the affiliate program because you need these 2 right here from video number 1 in order to get paid. If you don't do this, you can't get paid. So once you have signed up with link number 1 below this business, you need to come to the page that looks like this. You'll end up on the main page. You need to come to the affiliate zone first. Once you're on the affiliate zone, watch the 4 videos, okay? And that's all that you have to do is watch those 4 videos and your accounts will be set up. So what we need to do once you have that set up, come over to the affiliate zone, okay? Or to your SAM cart. And what you're gonna do is come down here where it says the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. You're just going to hit this copy button right here and it copies it. You're going to come back to your mailing system and where we said click here to start this business, we're going to highlight that. hit the little icon, and we're going to paste in that link that you have gotten from your SAM card over here. This is your affiliate link. That means anytime someone clicks on this link right here, which if you don't know what this link goes to, this link right here, when you copy it, let me show you, it just goes to that sales page we just talked about. See, it's going to bring people to the sales page where they'll be able to watch the video sales letter and then sign up for your all-in-one $25 business. And when they do that, you'll get paid just like we're doing up here. Okay, so, and then that's your link that you want to put right there. That's why you got to copy that particular link, not the link that's on the screen, but the link that you get just by hitting this copy button right there. All right, so I'm going to click OK, and that's going to insert that. Now, I always like to make this stand out. So let's highlight this. Let's actually bold that, so make it really big, and let's make sure we choose a really good blue that really sticks out like that. All right, so that way people see that link when they're in there. Now, I already sent my emails as of yesterday, and I already shot y'all's video yesterday. So what you need to do now is hit perfect timing, and then there will actually be a button right here. Unfortunately, I shot this video a little bit early, so there's just going to be a big send button, okay? It's just a send button. That's all you have to do. And always make sure you check the perfect timing. So your daily routine is going to be this. You're going to come into your first account, go to the mailing system. You're going to click select all. You are going to put in the subject email that I'm writing for you. Then you're going to come down here. You are going to write the email that I have and make sure you select this, right? And then come up here to the little icon, click that. And once you've done that, you got to make sure you use your affiliate link for the all-in-one $25 business right here. And all you're going to do is hit this copy button, okay? And then once you click that right there, it's going to pop up, and then you put in your actual link. You click perfect timing, and then you click send. Now, once you've done that, you can pause it right there. Now, the next thing you want to do is leave this page open, okay? Because once you write this email, if you close this page down, guess what? You're going to have to come back in here. You're going to have to rewrite that. You're going to have to change all this back around. You're going to have to highlight that and change the link. But if you come up here and you right-click and click duplicate, okay? It duplicates the page. Now watch this. Then on the duplicated page, not the one that has your email on it, okay, that we just wrote, on the duplicated page, you just log out. Then you come up here, you log in, and what you do is you come over to your next account. So I'm going to log into my next account, and it's a repetitive process. Mailing system, select all. We already wrote the email on the previous page, right? We left that open. So you just come up here, you highlight it, copy it, you paste it into your second account. You come over here, you highlight everything in here, you copy that. You come down here, highlight everything in there, and then you paste it in. You hit perfect timing, and then you click the send button. That's right here, okay? Then what you do is on that exact same page, after this little yellow bar shows up, you go ahead and log out. Now, this system only allows you to send one email once per 24 hours, but you just go to the next account, you click select login, you hit the mailing system. The last thing we copied was this down here. So you put your finger on the control and then hit A while you're holding down the control button, or the command if you're on Mac, it'll highlight everything. Then while it's highlighted with your finger still on the control, you hit V, okay? That will paste that in. Choose the perfect timing. So we go over here, we highlight this, we hit Control A, you come back over here, you put the mouse right inside there and hit Control V. That's just copying and pasting. Oh, Control Z. We got to make sure I highlight that and hit Control C for copy and Control V for paste. And then you hit send. And then we do that again, right? So this one, that's exactly what we're doing. Oh, you got to hit select all. Don't forget to hit select all. This one's for 72,000. So let's log out and just do an example. This is how quick your process would go once you've written your first email. I'll go log into one more account for you. Like this, you click log in. Remember, mailing system. Select all. This is how quick you'll get really quick at it. Remember, we're learning to draw inside the lines. After tomorrow, we'll be adding in some additional things for you to do and get you going, working on some more traffic that's going to generate more sales for you. So hit perfect timing, then click send, and that is all that you have to do. So that is pretty much it, and that is your daily routine. So if you guys have any questions, please drop them down in the comments down below, and they'll be more than happy to help you guys out. But this is simple. You're on day 2. Now, going forward on tomorrow's video, we'll repeat something very similar to this, but we're going to be adding in some more sources of traffic that you can use to start generating sales to your My $25 business, and it's the exact same traffic sources that we will be using to generate this income that we have created just last month alone. What did we end up with last month alone? Was somewhere around $30-something thousand just for the month of September. We end up with $33,000, and we are looking to beat that amount this coming up month, probably closer to $40,000 just in the month of October. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.